Hello YouTube, this is the HVAC Budgeteer, and tonight I'm just going to go over a couple wire strippers that won't break the bank. So tonight we have the cheapo wire strippers that you can find almost anywhere. Greenlee used to make some of these. You could get these in Lowe's. They look just like this. These are the cheap ones where the handles, if you pull too hard, the handles just come right off. There's nothing much to them, but they do work. So they do cut wire. You have basically the range that you need, at least for doing HVAC. They're a pretty nifty set of wire strippers to start out. They're not that great, but they do cut. And they do, that holds in place. You've got the spring action. You can use those. They're not precise, but they do work as pliers when you need them to. And so they're just your general wire strippers that you can get most anywhere for between probably $8 to $12. Now, moving up the scale, these are some Klein wire strippers. I found these at Home Depot for $13. I was surprised, but I don't know if you can really see it there, but they do not have as many options. So they only go up 10 to 16. You do not have any 18 gauge wire stripping capabilities. So one of the things I did, because I want to do a project with these, is I actually took the handles off, and you can see that the handles are built a lot better than these generic Chinese made wire strippers. Now, these Klein, I know Klein does make some things in China now, but this one still has, it looks like it says USA right there. But you can just tell there's a whole different build quality. These are essentially in the same price range. And Klein, the handles are so much better. They even have notches in there that make it impossible to take these handles off. I literally had to chisel and cut them out. The wire strippers themselves are really sharp. In the process, I gouged a good chunk of flesh off on these cutters, so they're definitely very sharp, and they do work. I took these out to work and use these a couple days, and they definitely do cut wire pretty good. So I was pretty happy with these, and I'm going to be making a project with these later on, but these definitely do the job. I just wish they had, for the same price, that they went up to that 18. So actually, I guess it's 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, where this one goes up. It's actually sort of worn off now, but I think this one goes off. It goes up to rather 20. So again, you can't really see it here because it's so worn off, but it does go up to 20. And sometimes it is nice, especially with the thermostat wire, just to be able to go up to that 20 range. But in a pinch, these still do work. These are a really nice set. So for the money, these definitely are a great set of wire strippers. Now, I found these also at Home Depot. I actually wasn't looking for these, but I was just looking at the tool section. And I found these Husky. These are 7-inch wire strippers. And these look to me an awful lot like Milwaukee's sort of multi-tool wire stripper plier-in-one version that they've been selling for $25. Now it's dropped down to maybe $19 or so. But Husky's come out with these for $10, and these are really nice set of wire strippers. Really nice. These again only go up to 18 gauge, but they do a really good job. 10 to 18 and then 12 to 20 on the stranded side. Solid, I guess, is 10 to 18. But these do a really nice job of cutting wire. They've got a fairly thick plier base here. These are fairly heavy, solid build, it seems like. Set of wire strippers. They come together nicely on the end there. The handles are pretty comfortable. This is supposedly, so this always, so has a spring action to come open. I'm not sure if it really works, but that's what that spring is for. But these, I've been using these for a couple days now, and one of the things I was surprised at is that this white tip here makes it so nice so this is visible in your tool bag. I know some other tools have this, but I was just surprised how nice this lanyard piece here that's white, how it makes it so recognizable. In my tool bucket, I know exactly where the wire strippers are because that white really stands out. So Husky, in their packaging, they mention that this has the wire stripper capability, bolt cutter, long nose pliers, wire cutter. They also mention again that it has a tethered handle loop, a bolt cutter, long nose pliers. Again, the wire strippers we've gone over, and again they claim this is lifetime warranty. I'm not sure exactly how solid that is. But these are really nice set of wire strippers coming in at $10. I have to say, I think I like these a little bit better than the Klein. They seem to offer a little bit more options, and they're a couple dollars cheaper. So for now, these are going to be my go-to wire strippers in my tool bucket. I know you can spend $40, $50 more dollars in wire strippers, but these are a great option for if you want something that doesn't break the bank. All right. Well, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and in the next couple weeks I'll be coming out with a lot more videos. I'll try to make sure to come out with a budget tool option every week, so keep listening.